In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a button go to another page in Carrd. This is a handy trick for those of you looking to create a smooth navigation experience on your Carrd site. Let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, we'll need to create the other page to which our button will point. To do this, locate the plus sign in your Carrd dashboard to add a new element. This is where you'll set up the additional page, creating a seamless transition for your site visitors. Once you've added this new element, you'll want to select the Control option. It's important because it allows you to manage multiple pages within your Carrd site. Now, here's a crucial part. Drag the green dashed line that appears above the content intended for your second page. This line marks the boundary between pages, and everything below it will be part of your second page. This is a neat visual cue that helps you organize content effectively across multiple pages. For clarity, you can rename this section of your site to whatever you like. In this tutorial, we'll call it Page 2. It's just a matter of clicking the option and entering your preferred name. Now that you've set up and named your second page, click Done to finalize these changes. Next, let's add the button that will take your visitors to this newly created page. Click on the Add button, and from the element options, choose Buttons. This simple tool allows you to direct your users from one page to another easily. Once you have added your button, go ahead and click on it. By doing so, its properties will appear on the left side of the interface. This is where we start customizing. Focus on the text box under Label. It's here you can rename the button to something meaningful or relevant to your visitors, which helps guide them clearly upon clicking it. After naming your button, you'll need to configure the action. Click on the text box under URL. This part is crucial. Remember the name you gave to the dashed line on your second page, Page 2 in our example. You'll enter #page2 here. This step ensures that clicking the button takes users directly to that page. Once you've completed this configuration, click on Done to save your work. Finally, hit Publish to push everything live so you can test the setup. After publishing, click the button on your Carrd site and you should find yourself smoothly taken to Page 2, and there you have it. You've successfully linked a button to another page in Carrd, enhancing your site's navigation with just a few easy steps. Keep experimenting with these features on Carrd, and you'll find new ways to make your site even more dynamic and user-friendly. Enjoy creating.